Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming a video featuring the curl formers. I have had these. This is what the container looks like. I have had these curl formers for quite some time. I occasionally use them simply because they are very tedious to insert. It takes quite some time to get them in, and you have to be able to have patience when putting these in. This is what the curl former looks like. They come in pink and also yellow. Along with that, it has, let me just get that out. It also comes with a hook that you will insert. You would push the hook into the curl former so that it stays onto the hook like this. You would hook the top of the hook that has the arch right here over the piece of hair that you're gonna work with, the section of hair that you're gonna be working with, and you will slide it through. So I am going to be showing you a few demonstrations of how I insert these handy dandy curl formers, and I will come back once my hair is complete and dried to show you how I take them out and the finished product. So I hope you stick around. My hair is freshly washed. I have my hair in sections, and I will be going in with each section and taking it out. I have already applied my leave-in conditioner and my oil. Today I washed my hair with the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian line, and I'm going to be styling my hair using the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote, the 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel. So I've not used this to apply the formers before, but I'm hoping to get really good results with it. I've applied this product with a twist out on my hair, but not with the curl formers. So I am hoping that the product, this is what it looks like. Ooh, it does have some shimmer in there, and this is the consistency of the gel. Once again, my hair was already detangled, so it's nice and soft. I will use my Denman brush to also go in with some extra detangling. I am going to try to avoid spritzing too much water on my hair simply because they take some time to dry, and I'm going to sleep with these curl formers in my head, and I don't want my hair to be too wet. This is how much gel I have on my hand. I'm going to glide it over this section, hook it over my hair. The tricky part with this is that you have to ensure that all the hair goes over the hook. If all the hair does not go over the hook, it is not going to slide through the curl former properly. And then I'm going to simply go up and pull the hair through the curl former and pull the hook downwards with the hair, and there you have it. One curl former inserted, and if you can look closely, you would see how the hair is twirled around the inside of the curl former. I will work on another one simply to show you how I apply the curl formers. I will comb my hair out to ensure that there are no tangles, and that will also ensure a smooth glide of the hair through the curl former using the hook. I will go in and further detangle with my Denman brush. And now I'm going to apply the Ancient Egyptian 24 karat gel to the section from the roots to the ends using the, and I'm going to hook the curl former over that section of hair, ensuring that the entire section is through the hook, because we don't want any tugging on the hair when we're sliding it down. From the bottom, I'm going to grab the bottom as well as the root of my hair, and I'm going to slide the curl former up while pulling the hook out. And there you go. Another curl former inserted. I'm going to do this on my entire head, and then I'm going to come back and show you how my entire hair looks with the complete application of the curl formers on my entire hair. So stick around, I will be right back. So I have completed the top of my hair with the curl formers. I have used the pink ones to go in on the top, and this is what my hair is looking like. We will find out later today how I'm going to be sleeping on these. And for the back, I am going to use the yellow ones. The box comes with a total of 40. I will show you, once again, this is one of the curl former on the hook. In order to get the curl former on the hook, once again, I'm just going to show you how it's done. This is the curl former. It is opened up on both sides. I am going to push the hook into one part of it, and I'm going to slide the curl former over the entire hook, and it should look like this. I am now going and pull the hair into the curl former, and there you have it. There we go. So that's one finished part at the back. I'm going to once again complete the entire back section using the yellow curl formers, and I'll show you once everything is completed. So my hair is complete. I have utilized the entire pack of curl formers. It holds 40. The packet comes with 40 curl formers. They are extra long because my hair is a little lengthy, so I got the ones that are extra long. It comes with the 40 curl formers in yellow and pink, and 2 hooks. The hooks separate into halves, and when you're ready to use them, you simply snap one part of it into the next to be able to insert these curl formers. This is what my entire hair is looking like. Let me turn around so you can see my entire hair. How I am going to keep this out of my face, I'm probably just gonna grab each section on the side and pin it away using a scrunchie because they're a little bit all over the place. Once again, I managed to use all of them in my hair. They are not exactly stiff, so they should be okay to hold in for a couple hours into the next day, because I will be sleeping with them. So tomorrow I will be back to show you the reveal of how my hair looks when my hair is completely dry using these curl formers. If you do not section your hair reasonably, you're going to run into a lot of problems because the hook doesn't go over the entire section, so it gets trapped and you can't pull it through. A few of them I've had to pull it out and retry it like 4 to 5 times, which was a little bit frustrating, but I had to end up going and making the section smaller in order to be able to get the process completed at a much faster rate. But once again, I will be back tomorrow to show you how my hair is looking. So it is the following day, and I'm about to show you how I take the curl formers out. It was a little rough night because they are bulky, so they're somewhat hard to sleep in, but I managed. I covered my hair with a satin bonnet. I have a jumbo satin bonnet, so I kind of placed that over the front to secure the top, and I put 2 scrunchies on the front to keep the curlformers out of my face. Now it's time for the reveal. Dun, dun, dun. So I'll take the scrunchies off from the sides of my hair, and I believe my hair should have dried. I mentioned while doing the installation that I try to place them in my hair being damp as opposed to drenching wet, because I know that I did not want to have a prolonged process by keeping these in my hair, because I didn't want to have to sleep with them. With 2 nights, 1 night was enough. I tolerated it for 1 night. So now I am going to take them out so you can see how it looks. I am going to start with this one right here at the bottom, and to take these out, I'm going to hold the root of my hair and I'm going to slide the curl former out. Ooh. You would swear I have a perm. This looks really nice. Woo woo. Let me go on in and get the rest of them out. Once again, I'm gonna hold the root and I'm gonna pull the curl former down. I installed the entire 40 curl formers in my hair. Using the main choice ancient Egyptian line, so I am just gonna put some oil on the head and just scrunch that into my hair. I'm thinking I could wear my curls like this, and I'm thinking that I can separate them a little bit more for more volume, but of course it's gonna look a whole lot better if I separate them for more volume. I think. I hope you liked this video. I hope you like the process of seeing me install the curl formers, and now that I took them out, the way my hair looks, it looks like I had a mini roller set, but it's not. It's these products right here, very spirally. They stretch out